If your Honeywell thermostat screen is completely blank and nothing seems to work, I'll walk you through how to reset it step by step. A blank screen on a Honeywell thermostat usually means one of three things: power loss, battery failure, or the thermostat itself needs a reset. Let's go through this in the smartest order so you don't waste time. First, understand this. Most Honeywell thermostats do not have a visible physical reset button, especially newer models. So, if you're searching the front of the thermostat and can't find one, that's completely normal. Start with the power check, because this fixes more blank screens than anything else. If your thermostat uses batteries, remove the front cover and replace them with fresh ones. Even if the old batteries look fine, weak batteries can still cause a dead screen. Now here's an important reset trick for older Honeywell models, especially the 1000, 2000 and basic RTH series. After removing the batteries, insert them back in reverse polarity for about 5 seconds, then remove them again and reinstall them correctly. This acts as a hard reset and often brings a blank screen back to life. If your Honeywell thermostat is hardwired and has no batteries, check your home's breaker panel. A tripped HVAC or furnace breaker will cause the thermostat screen to go blank. Reset the breaker, wait a minute, and check the display again. Next, if your thermostat screen comes back on but freezes or stays unresponsive, remove the thermostat from the wall plate for about 30 seconds, then snap it back on. This refreshes the internal connection. Now for newer Honeywell thermostats like the T5, T6, T9, T10 or smart Wi-Fi models, there is no physical reset button. Once power is restored, resets are done through the settings menu. If the screen stays blank even after power and battery checks, that usually points to a wiring issue or a blown fuse on the HVAC system. If this fixed your blank screen, hit like. And if you want exact reset steps for your Honeywell model, drop the model number in the comments and subscribe for more quick HVAC and tech fixes.